This 2011 Keystone Montana Mountaineer 345DBQ2 BDRM Quad Slide, 1.5 baths, Bunks is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 36 feet 6 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, Skylight, Slideout, air conditioning, external shower, TV, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2011 Keystone Montana Mountaineer 345DBQ2 BDRM Quad Slide, 1.5 baths, Bunks is 11,743 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.